Hi there and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to add room numbers in the Bookingjini PMS. Step by step, let's dive in. First, log into your PMS dashboard using your login credentials. Once you're in, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Room Setup. On this screen, you'll see the number of floors already added, along with an option to add room numbers. Now, select the floor where you want to add the room. Then, click on Add Room. Next, choose the room category from the drop-down. For example, Deluxe, Suite, or Standard. After that, type in the room number you want to add. Then, click the plus icon to confirm the addition. Once you've added all the required room numbers, just hit Submit, and that's it. You've successfully added room numbers in the PMS. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help. You can also check the description below for more helpful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.